Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another edition of Mobile Detail in Edmonton. My name is Lance. Your first time joining us? Welcome. Today is all about paint protection film. So a buddy of mine owns this truck, and he called me and he said, "Hey Lance, I screwed up. I hit right there in the garage, and I hit the front of my bumper." And I was like, "Dude, that sucks." But I remember he went over to Proform Auto Tint and had the front of its paint protection film with our ceramic coating package. So I know for sure that it's going to be protected. But the damage looked pretty intense. So here's what it looks like after the accident. And yeah, it's pretty bad. So what we're going to do is we're going to hop in. We're going to take it back over to Proform Auto Tint. We're going to go see Delaney, Emily, everybody, and see if they can patch this thing back up and make it look as good as new. And yeah, let's take a look at what happened. Okay, well, thank God he had the film on there. It looked like what it did was it grabbed the film as he was pulling it in, because he always backs in like I do and then turns and then back straight. That way he gives his wife plenty of room to park on the other side. But it does look like the paint protection film did its job, and it was grabbed by the garage door and basically pulled it off. Now, if he hadn't had the film on there, the paint would be destroyed. He'd be paying for his bumper to get repainted, and that would have sucked. So yeah, money well invested. All right, now I've got to get the truck out of the garage without hitting the garage door. This thing is such a tight fit. Okay, don't hit, don't hit, don't hit. I don't know how he does this every time. This is crazy. Okay, we're free. God. Thought there for a second I was totally going to take the garage out. That would have sucked. All right, guys, let's head over to Delaney. Okay, we're here, Proform Auto Tint. So let's take a look at the boo-boo. You can see some of the work they do. This guy just got his trailer wrapped, and they're kicking him out onto the next, so to speak. But anyway, here. So now you can see it in the light. You see how it looks like it's really damaged right here and here, but all this is the glue. And right here is where the film actually caught and pulled, and it protected the paint. So again, money extremely well invested, and all we got to do now is have Delaney and Emily cut it out. They said they're going to go here, down to here, here, and then down to this other piece and patch it up. It's inside this guy's trailer. I know the boys wrapped something pretty cool in here. Here, check it out. What in the heck is that? It's not just a floor cleaner, is it?
No, it's a automatic robot to clean the floors, clean the surfaces.
So this thing doesn't even need anybody to push it?
No.
What the hell?
You program, you do your mapping, and automatically start to clean. Depending where it is how long can take.
Really?
When it's cleaning around.
So robots are literally taking over the world. It's awesome.
Yes.
Check out this wrap job they did on this thing. It's awesome looking. And it's not normal, it's not like it's painted, it's actually textured. And they were still able to use a special, I don't know, some kind of special film to make it work. But God, they knocked that thing out of the park. That is so cool. Oh, what do you guys got in here now? Holy crap. You got a Mustang. You always have Mustangs, but what in the heck is this?
I think it's a Corvette.
What are you doing to this thing? Yeah, it's a Corvette hiding in a Camaro. What are you doing to it?
We were wrapping the hood from matte black. I did some work on this probably 6 years ago.
Oh, you want it to look like that?
Yeah.
And you're gonna make, oh, right on. What film are you guys using on it?
We're using the 3M 1080 matte black.
Ooh, so many numbers.
Thumbs caught.
Oh.
Thumbs caught.
Sometimes even the best screw up. Holy cow.
Gotta hold your knife like you hold your cup of tea.
You got the pinky.
Yeah.
Look at the pinky.
This is phenomenal film.
He's so weird.
Don't tempt me. Don't tempt my weirdness.
So the film did help it though, right?
Oh, for sure.
Oh, I almost fell.
We'll clean that off with a little bit of adhesive remover.
So it just needs, that's it?
Let that soften up a bit.
Holy crap.
Zero damage on that paint.
And again, that's why paint protection film is super important. You don't want to spend thousands of dollars in repairing and having it repainted and all the time down. Just getting a company like his to come out and do some paint protection film on it will actually save you a lot of money in the long run. And if it's done right, you can't even tell it's on. So what else do you prize yourself on here over at Proform Auto Tint? What's your main job here, Delaney?
The coffee here is amazing.
The coffee's amazing? What's you're famous for?
I like my coffee to taste like dessert. So a little bit of sugar on top of the sugar.
Yeah?
Yeah.
A little bit of diabetes in a bottle?
Yeah.
Yeah? You'd really do well in the South.
Caffeine to help you burn it off.
Look at that. Not a single scratch. So this is what he's doing. He's trying to section off the piece so we don't have to have the client pay for the entire bumper to be redone. He's actually going to try to just repair the piece that was damaged, like we were saying, and patch it back together. And hopefully the seams match up so that way you don't see the line. Okay, so what are you gonna do? You're just gonna spray it on the isopropyl or soap or whatever?
Peel the backing off the paint protection film.
Right.
And then you just lick it and stick it.
Lick it and stick it, folks. But how are you gonna get the lines to match up?
Well, the trick is to keep well hydrated, because sometimes when you put these bigger pieces on, there's a lot of licking going on.
You're so random. That's why I love you.
Okay, in all seriousness, there's a lot of stretch on this piece, on this corner piece especially, so we're gonna lock it in place with a little bit of isopropyl alcohol.
Okay. Oh, so when you spray the isopropyl alcohol on there, it seals the glue down pretty hard so you can move it as much as you want next.
Just makes it bond a little bit quicker.
Oh, cool.
Because Lance is in a hurry, we're gonna do this real quick. Is this a horse trade?
You doing a horse trade for the work? Oh wow.
Here. This.
And then you're just gonna use the razor blade to trace out the line?
Yeah, I'm gonna score the film and then tear it.
So the important thing in scoring the film is you're not pushing it all the way through to where it actually cuts into the paint. You're only making a line just on the paint protection film?
Yeah, pinky finger up.
Okay. Pinky finger out?
Yeah, gentle, gentle.
Good.
Not a lot of pressure.
The pinky finger's where it's at though, folks.
You're dragging the knife, you're not pushing, not forcing the knife into the material, you're just dragging it along the surface.
Where's the pinky?
Oh, sorry.
You promised a pinky. And that, folks, is how it's done. You can just barely see the line. That's awesome. Look at that. That's the line from whenever they digitally cut it out originally from the computer. Look at that, right on the seam. That's awesome.
Soften up a couple of these areas where we stretched. Flush out the soap solution that we used. And it'll just bond a little bit better with the heat right away. A couple areas need to be trimmed and it's good to go.
Cool. Right on, guys. Well, that's going to be a wrap today on the video. Delaney's got it all patched up. We're over here at Proform Auto Tint in Edmonton, Alberta. If you have any questions, give them a shout. They do the vinyl wrap, they do the paint protection film, they do the tint, and they have lots of knowledge about stuff. Oh my God. And they got one of these. It's a bill. All right, guys, we'll see you next time. Hope you're having a great day.